ये देखो जी, यहाँ बच्चे लगे हुए हैं, छोटे छोटे प्यारे प्यारे। ये देखो अपना टैलेंट दिखा
digestive system. For digestion, we have to know about digestion. What is digestion? The process in which the food is broken down simple substance that we understand by the process of digestion. Firstly, teeth chew the food with saliva in mouth. Then the food eats into the stomach through food pipe.
Liver and pancreas produce juice and mix it to food. Then digested food goes to small intestine. Undigested food goes to large intestine and solid waste excreted throughout the anus. Thank you.
Very good.
Today we will discuss about deficiency. So firstly, vitamin A.
Vitamin deficiency causes dry eyes and night blindness and ulceritis. This vitamin is found in green leaf vegetables, carrot, tomato, and milk. Thank you.
Vitamin C. Vitamin C deficiency causes swelling and bleeding of gums due to scurvy. To avoid these diseases, we should eat citrus fruit like lemon, orange, amla, green leafy vegetables, etc. Amla is the richest source of vitamin C. Thank you. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is the necessary for strong bones and teeth. It is deficiencies causes bones weak and soft. The disease is called rickets. Milk is the good source of vitamin D.
आगे चलते हैं मम्मी।
ये देखो बच्चे अपना टैलेंट दिखा रहे हैं। आओ जी, सुनाओ जी। हेलो जी।
Good morning, all respected. We are 5th class students. My topic is chemical change and physical change. Next, this is rubber band and rubber band. No new substance for the physical change. Chemical change. A chemical change in which original substance cannot obtain the final product. I have a paper. I burn it. This paper changed into ash. From this ash we cannot make paper. So this is irreversible and permanent change. This is incense stick. I burn it. This is changed into ash. We cannot make incense stick from ash. So this also chemical change. Thank you.
Good day. Oscillatory motion.
अंदर भी है क्या?
चलो अंदर भी चलते हैं। देखो फोर्स हमारे क्लास में आ रखा है, इस पे बैठ जाओ।
चलो अंदर से।
Hello ma'am, today my topic is the irrigation system. Firstly, you should know what is irrigation. The supply of water to regularly intervals in are called irrigation. In this system, water drop by drop to plants root. It is a best technology to watering plants, trees, etc.
It is called an ability of water is cool. It is very efficient method to water and plants as water is not waste at all. Thank you.
Like this. KVM family. We are organizing exhibition. I hope you will be more than happy to see this exhibition. Please come.
Surrounding condition. I hope you understand. Thank you. I am here to play a role of Sachin Tendulkar. I am Sachin Raman Tendulkar. I called God of Cricket. I born on 24 April 1973. I retired from cricket 16 November 2013. My name is Today we are talking about degrees of comparison. First, we should know the degrees of comparison. By changing their first adjective candidates to show the life of children, peoples, animals, countries. These form of degrees are also known as degrees of comparison. For example, positive degree, relative degree, or super degree. Yes, original form of challenge. Oral
ये कौन सी क्लास में है? आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन कहाँ है? ये एक उसमें DA में। अच्छा, इसमें नहीं आती? नहीं, इसमें नहीं आती।
मम्मी देखो क्या कर रहा है। चलो सुनाओ। Good morning, ma'am. I am Anish. Today my topic is
चार्ट करो अपना आगे चार्ट को रखो। ज़्यादा खुश हो गए मम्मा को देख के। एक्सप्रेशन भी करो।
The words that show in relationship between a noun or a pronoun with another word in a sentence. For example, on मतलब ऊपर, in मतलब अंदर, behind मतलब पीछे, between मतलब बीच में, behind मतलब आगे, near मतलब पास। Thank you. चलो मम्मी आगे चलो। अरे कुछ नहीं होता, चलो ना। अरे कुछ नहीं होता, अगर कुछ गलती होगी तो सुना। Good morning, ma'am. My name is Samrit from 3rd class. My topic is preposition. The words that show the relationship between a noun or a pronoun with another word in a sentence. For example, on मतलब ऊपर, in मतलब अंदर, behind मतलब पीछे, between मतलब बीच में, front मतलब आगे, near मतलब पास में। Thank you. ये है हमारा अनीश और ये इसने सुनाई है प्रोपोजिशन, बहुत अच्छी। क्या क्या ले रहा है खाने को? क्या क्या रख रहे हैं? बस उल्टे का ऐसे नहीं करना, सारे नहीं ऐसा बस। गुड मॉर्निंग मैम, माय नेम इज